welcome back to my channel. This week's video is a nail video. Watch me work, if you will. So if you like to see me do my nails, then please keep watching. So I'm starting out with a fresh set. I took off my old set and I'm starting new. So I'm coming in with a clear acrylic on all of my nails except both ring fingers. And in this video, I wanted to show you guys my acrylic application because in the last video, I really didn't show you guys, how I really do acrylic application. That acrylic was sort of hard to work with. So in this video, you get to see me actually doing my real acrylic application. And guys, I promise that I'm going to have more detailed and creative acrylic application videos coming up soon. I'm going to practice on my practice hands and get those back out to you guys. I also forgot to mention that before applying the acrylic, I did prep and prime all of my nails off camera. So now that all the boring stuff is out of the way, let's get down to business. So I'm using these little hexy, I don't even know what to call them. I got them off of eBay. I'll be sure to put the link down below. But I'm using these and I'm creating the design on both of my ring fingers. And I'm sorry that it keeps jumping, but I was out of frame for pretty much the whole time that I was doing this design. So I ended up having to cut a lot of footage out. I'm so sorry about that. I'm still trying to figure out, how to record and not be in the way and get my hands in frame and all that. So bear with me, but I'm trying. Let me tell you, this part was so freaking time consuming. I just was almost about to give up, but it came out so freaking cute and I'm so happy that I did not give up. Also guys, I know you see the shift on these things. They look purple, tealish, blackish, blue. They have all these color shifts to them, but as soon as I capped them, I don't know what happened to the colors, but it just did not look exactly how it looked when I took them out the package. Maybe I used too much acrylic over it or something. I'm actually not sure. So here you guys can see exactly what I was talking about when I said that the colors changed as soon as I capped them. Um, the set came out beautiful nonetheless, but it's just not what I was expecting. And also you can notice that I did have to go back and double dip with capping. I didn't have a one ball method like I normally do. I guess I just underestimated how much I needed, which is probably why I have a few air bubbles in this nail, but the set still came out gorgeous. So after capping the nails, filing and shaping, I'm coming in with my Vanillisa gel pots. I believe this is the number 613. So I'm placing this on all of my fingers except the ring and the middle fingers. Again, I apologize for the clips just jumping, but I was out of frame. So this color took me 3 coats to get to the opacity that I wanted it to, which I mean, it was cool, I guess. Just had to work with it. After applying 3 coats of the polish to the other fingers, I'm coming in with the same black and outlining both of my middle fingers. Then I'm going to cure that and come back in and top coat. Before fully curing my nails, I'm going to come in with some rhinestones and place those on my index fingers. I did get these rhinestones from AliExpress. Then I'm going to cure my nails, and this is the end result. Let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching. Bye.